So I did some baking today. I made some regular yeast rolls for the kids. I'm gonna have Isaac taste test them later tonight. Between mine and Blindfold, mine grain-free ones and my regular yeast ones. And sorry, kid came in. And so I'm gonna test these out and see if Isaac can tell the difference. If he's not looking at it, I can tell. So it'll be interesting. Another thing I did is I made yeast rolls, like the grain-free ones, for myself a few days ago. And so I have this one here. This one I made completely and fully made it a few days ago. And I froze it. And then I just warmed it up just now in the microwave. And then there's this one right here. This one was in the freezer as a dough ball before it even rose up. And then these were fresh today. So I'm going to test taste and see which one tastes any different. So I was curious. I don't know. Let's see. No, these are like, they taste better. Yeah. This one is like almost mushier. It's like feels wet inside. Doesn't taste as good. And then this one, let's see how this one tastes. It feels harder to pull apart. It's good. Oh, sorry. See my face. It's good. It's just slightly more dense. I'm sitting. I saw it was warm. I'd say the winner would be fresh. And I think baked is fresh, but freezing the rolls afterwards is better than not cooking them. I'd rather freeze cooked rolls. It tastes better. Remember, you tried one of these, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no. Try this. Which one do you like better? You could feed yourself. You don't like this one? Oh, okay. Alright. There you have it. But she's concealed, so we'll have to have Isaac try. Maybe he's better. Alright, I'm gonna get you. Weirdo. Can you not see really?
I can't see really.
You have to cheat. Okay, one over here. Right here. Okay, now you're gonna taste test. Don't touch anything. Okay? I'm gonna feed it to you. So I've got.
Sure you don't want me to touch anything?
No.
Is the camera recording?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the grain-free, and this
Can
is
I mess
the
up your
regular.
camera recording by touching something?
No. Open your mouth. And tell me which one this is. Open up. Open up. Okay, now chew it. Chew it. Come on.
This is very candy.
That's the gluten-free one.
How can you tell?
I can tell by the texture and the type of flour.
Oh, can you tell what sweetened it?
It's a honey sweetened.
How'd you figure that out? Okay, now this one.
That's regular gluten flour.
Is it good? Like store-bought? Okay, now 3 different choices in the grain-free, and I don't want you to look still. I want to know what your opinion of the one that was frozen and then cooked, the one that was cooked and then frozen, and the one that was fresh. Okay, so no say anything. No, you're not allowed to know, of course. So go ahead and try it.
That one's clearly cold.
Do you like it?
It's all right.
It's okay. 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 Okay, this one? No. Tastes different?
Yeah. Tiny bit of difference.
Better? Worse?
A little bit better, maybe.
Okay. Then this one.
That one tastes the same.
Okay, take it out. Tastes the same. So this is the last one you ate. This was the second to last one you ate, and this was the first one. The first one you did was the cooked frozen. The one that you had second was the fresh, and then you had the frozen cooked. So the one that was frozen and then cooked. And
so this one you cooked then froze.
Feels heavier.
It lost a lot of flavor in that then.
After it was cooked and then frozen. And then, so you thought these taste the same. I feel like that one's denser.
It is a little, Yeah, it's a little bit denser.
Yeah, like it didn't fluff up the same. So I think fresh is better.
I'm stay.
If you were to choose between which way frozen,
If you
which
probably
would you
let
choose?
this rise longer after you pulled it out and
I
thawed
did.
it.
I let it rise the same amount, actually longer than the others. But
Really?
they wouldn't, yeah, it wouldn't rise.
Well, I mean, you can see in there,
Yeah.
for those on watching, you can see this was the frozen one, and this was the not frozen one.
And fresh.
So, fresh. Let's see.
So it's interesting. They do taste different. It'd be interesting to
bit
do
more
with
airy.
gluten ones.
You see my teeth marks?
Okay. Alright, so on to soup for dinner. If you were to choose either roll, would you have chosen the gluten-free or the green, or the regular yeast rolls?
Regular rolls.
You like the regular rolls the best? Would you choose store-bought or those?
Store-bought are those.
Yeah, would you eat these rather than a store-bought?
Oh, fresh baked are always best. Even if they're fresh baked in the store.
Even if, so are mine as
You're
good
usually-
as the fresh baked at the store, or they're not?
I don't know. I never eat fresh baked in the store.
Oh yeah. You're so ordinary. You're so ordinary. So, let's see what we're having for dinner. Do you?
Oh, I thought you were showing me.
Oh no, I was gonna show you. That was good. We're having cream celery soup. I actually had to thicken it a little bit. It was kind of a little too runny. But yeah. With rolls. So that's the inside of the rolls. Don't that look so good?
Want to see the inside of my
They're
rolls?
so pretty. Look at these fancy things. That was with using the bread flour. I've never used the bread flour before, and I always had it where it did not turn out as pretty. That, I'd say, is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What are you thankful for this year?
House better than dog.
Oh yeah. Raphael, what are you thankful for?
Smiles.
Oh, I forgot to tell them something. I don't have a battery downstairs. I have a battery. Don't you? Show them the vent.
Who's them?
The
People
vent.
at the phone?
The vent.
Oh,
where
cool.
I sleep.
So, Briella, what are you thankful for?
That's one. You and Daddy and freeze tag. Well,
Freeze tag.
Mom, Daddy. The people were like, "What, you?" And then my cousins and my uncles and aunts.
Wow.
And the ones that are married because that had more uncles and aunts.
Go ahead.
And there's going to be even more.
More what?
More
Yeah.
uncles and aunts.
Oh, you want more this year? You're expecting that you're gonna have more?
Yes,
aunts?
I want all of my uncles and aunts to be married so I have a bunch of uncles and aunts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are your aunts? Any of your aunts gonna have special something this year?
Yeah.
Who?
I'm going to give Aunt Jamie a picture frame.
I was thinking of new cousins that are coming. You're gonna have 2 new cousins next year.
Cousins.
Yeah. And maybe
Do you
we
know
just
which
hope
2
that we get
aunts?
to have more. Wouldn't that be awesome? So, Daddy, what are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful for a baby.
A baby? What baby?
This one.
Oh.
And that one and that one.
Everybody
I'm thankful for a new house with 5 acres of land and a big house at that. I'm thankful for being able to have the skills necessary to remodel said house. Thankful for a pool that I can throw my wife in the summer.
You're not gonna throw me in?
Oh yeah.
Oh no, you won't.
She likes it when I do. She begs for it.
No, you won't have a chance to throw me in. I will jump in it before you can throw me in.
I am thankful for employment and for God's work and provision in our lives, and to know that we can trust God for anything that that he or that we need.
And he provides for us.
He provides everything.
Even in our toughest times, he still provides. Also, what I am thankful for is we've had a lot of extra time as a family because there's been a lot of activities been canceled. The house that we were living in sold so fast. We're also thankful for this baby grand piano that we were given. This thing is totally awesome. It needs some repairs, but we have a baby grand piano. Right, Daddy-os? And Daddy's determined he's going to learn it. We are also thankful for... What are we thankful for, Briella? You play with them outside a lot. Little tiny creatures.
I don't think he likes the soup.
The kittens!
Oh, that!
And Edward likes his dog, and we have a pond. And what is Raphael? What do you like to do with the pond, Raphael?
You like to jump in?
You throw rocks.
Oh, yeah.
My dog again?
And also, we are thankful for our family and friends and the ones who also helped us with the move and the remodel. Should we show him your doggy? Let's go show him your dog. You had this dog, do you know? Hey, how long have you had your dog? Do you know? Come here, Blue. Come here, buddy. Does he love you?
Oh, no.
Hey, Blue. Hey, boy. Edward, pet him. Tell me he's a good boy.
Sit down, Blue. Sit
He's
down.
so excited. He's one hyper dog. But he loves Edward. He loves him. What else are we thankful for?
Liking, sharing, subscribing, watching, and everything else.
Raphael says,
Watching.
I love that people watch me.
Mom.
He says, I'm a baby.
Me too. I got something.
You're a baby too?
Mommy, I got something to tell you.
Are you going to draw with those toes? Yeah.
Glee.
Another crown? Here. Are you done? Say, all done. Raphael, do you love mommy? Hey,